Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and banking hacks to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into something super practical: how to increase your limit in the Bob app for 2025. If you're a Bank of Baroda user, you know how frustrating it can be when your transaction or credit limits hold you back. Don't worry, I'll walk you through this step by step, so you can get it done in no time. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Bob app installed on your smartphone. Head over to your App Store, update it if needed, and then open the app. Log in with your credentials. Remember to use a secure connection for safety. Once you're in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Profile or Settings icon, usually found in the bottom right or top left corner. Tap on it to access your account details. Here, you'll see various options. Scroll down until you find Limits and Security, or something similar. That's your gateway to managing your transaction limits. Now, select Increase Limit. The app might ask for additional verification, like your registered mobile number or a one-time password, OTP, sent to your phone. Enter that promptly to proceed. You'll then be prompted to choose what type of limit you want to increase. Could be daily transaction limits, ATM withdrawal caps, or even credit card limits. Select the one you need and submit your request. Bank of Baroda might review your request based on your account history, so be patient. It could take a few hours to a couple of days. While you're waiting, double-check that your KYC details are up to date, as this often speeds things up. A quick tip: always keep an eye on your app notifications for updates on your request status. And remember, increasing limits can expose you to more risk, so only do this if you really need it and practice safe banking habits. There you have it. That's how you boost your limits in the Bob app for 2025. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more banking tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.